Hi class. Okay, this video is meant to help students learn how to open and share a Google Doc. You're going to be required to use Google Docs for your assignments this semester. We will occasionally use Word for documents, but for the most part we're going to be using Google Docs, and you're going to be sharing those with your classmates and with me in order to submit assignments and work on assignments. So first thing we want to do is access your Google Drive, which each student has their own Google account once your Cape Fear account is set up. So you want to go to your Launchpad, which is on your home page here, and you can see there's a Drive button. So one way to access your Google Drive is simply to click on that, and you will see my drive will come up, and it's already full of stuff. Yours will you may already have some things in there, but it may be empty as well. Another way to access your Google Drive, if that button happens to not work, which might happen on occasion, is to go to your email, and you can see that you have the Google Apps icon up here on the top right of your email page, and you can simply get to your drive that way as well. So when you click on this, you end up here again. And if you don't use folders at the moment, I would suggest that you start by setting up a new folder. So simply go to New and click on Folder, and you can title that however you'd like. English 111, let's say. Click Create, and there it appears. And so I suggest you store everything in this folder for the duration of the semester. You can customize it a little bit more by right-clicking, and you get a menu here. You can change the colors, and you do not need to share your folder with me, however. That is not necessary. Just the documents, the individual assignments is fine. In fact, I would recommend you don't share your folder with me. Keep that to yourself. So once you're in your folder, however, if I were to click here, it opens up the folder, and you'll see it's empty. It says Drop Files here. So you can upload from your computer if you need to put other documents in here. You just simply go to File, Upload. But for many of your assignments, you're just going to need a Google Docs. So we'll come down here to Google Docs, and we'll just click on that and open up a new document. First thing you want to do is, let's just say, assignment number 1. And for what goes in the title of your assignment, I would suggest that you follow the directions that are underneath the assignment guidelines. Same way you're going to name submissions for various assignments. In other words, I have the assignments named a certain way. I want you to basically name them the same way. So, for instance, you have assignments here. If we scroll down, this says Assignment 2A MLK Analysis. So you would simply type that here, Assignment 2 MLK Analysis. Alright, and then you type up your analysis and get that all nice and tidy. And when you're finished, you simply come over here to the Share button. And you click on the Share button, and then you click on Get Shareable Link. And what's going to appear is a link that's already copied to your clipboard here. So you don't necessarily need to right-click on that. It's already copied for you. But you do need to make sure that it's shared properly. So you come down and make sure that it says anyone at Cape Fear with this link can view. That is checked, but you're not quite done yet. You need to click on More. And rather than anyone within Cape Fear Community College can view, you need to give me access to this to edit. So you click on Can Edit. I cannot do anything to your document in terms of commentary or helping you unless I can edit it. So each submission you need to give me access to editing. So then you just click Save, and that's done. You have the link already copied to your clipboard. So then you go back to your assignments. So we go back, let's just use the MLK assignment. So this is what it's going to look like in a folder for our assignments for a week. And you come down to the assignment, and you click on that. and scroll down a little bit, and you can see there's some options here. What you want to do to submit your Google link is click on Write Submission. You do not want to put it in the comments box, otherwise I won't be able to access it. So click on Write Submission and put your cursor in there, share your link, and then submit, and that's it. So that should be pretty straightforward for everyone. I'm sure if you have some questions, I'll be happy to address those, but I would suggest maybe watching the video a couple times just to get the hang of things, and hopefully that'll work out for everyone. And again, there will be moments where we will use Word documents, but I will make sure I designate those moments, and each student will know way ahead of time when that's going to happen.